Hello children, today we are going to start from the laws for women, page number 33. The law enacted in 1952 recognized women's right to alimony and their share in the father's property. Her right to Sridhan was recognized. Polygamy was made illegal and women, just like men, got the right to sue for divorce. So, according to the law enacted in 1952, the right to alimony and women's right in their father's property and right to Sridhan, this all were recognized. The right alimony means a fixed amount given to divorcee woman by husband. जो divorcee woman को उसके husband एक fixed amount देना पड़ता है every month. That is known as alimony. And the father's share and their share in father's property, this all recognized by this 1952 law. And polygamy was made illegal. Polygamy means बहुत सारा wife को रखने का, वो it made illegal. And woman got the right to sue for divorce. Sue means legal procedure. जो divorce के लिए legal procedure, woman got the right to do the legal procedure for divorce also. Okay. Then the Dowry Prohibition Act in 1961 made both giving and taking dowry a cognizable criminal offence. Means in 1961 Dowry Prohibition Act enacted. As per the act, both giving and taking, as per this act, both giving and taking dowry was made a criminal offence like other criminal offence. Okay. The Dowry Prohibition Act came to force in 1961. By this giving and taking dowry, it is a criminal offence. This dismantled the dowry tradition by its roots and further encouraged the social movement. So, by this act, which act? Dowry Prohibition Act, it removed the dowry tradition by its roots. पूरे निकाल दिया, ये एक्ट की वजह से dowry देना लेना ये पूरे निकाल दिया. And by this woman came out from the undesirable tradition of dowry. So after that, the Maternity Benefit Act, which gave women the right to get leave from work at the time of childbirth, also came into force in 1961. In 1961, Maternity Benefit Act came into force. By this, women got the right to take leave from the work at the time of childbirth. Okay, it is very good for the women, those who are working, because they will get the leave from the work at the time of childbirth. Okay, next topic is awareness against the dowry tradition. Even after the enactment of the anti-dowry law, incidents like women burned to death as sari pallu catch fire while cooking and women slip into the well while washing clothes, drowns and dies continue to be reported. Investigations still reveal dowry to be the most frequent cause of such death. The role of the police, the administration and judiciary were highlighted. This created great awareness. So the heading is awareness against the dowry tradition. So in 1961, Dowry Prohibition Act enacted. Again, after this enactment of this law, incidents like a woman burned to death or woman slipped into the well while washing cloth, these incidents continue to be reported. So investigation revealed that the reason for this kind of death is the dowry. So the administration and the judiciary and police were highlighted this, and they all understood that the reason behind this kind of death is the dowry. So again in 1984, Dowry Prohibition Amendment Act came into force. So amendment, that means some changes happen in same Dowry Prohibition Act. So in 1961, Dowry Prohibition Act enacted, and again in 1984, Dowry Prohibition Amendment Act came into force. So we know that many women are died because of this dowry. So in I'm going to say the number of women died because of the dowry. Yeah, the number of dowry deaths in 1988, 2209 women died victim of the dowry tradition, and in 1990 it was 4835, and in 1993 number of dowry death was 5377. These numbers will impress upon you the seriousness of the issue. By this you can understand the seriousness of the this issue, the dowry issue, because in 1988 2209 women died, and 1990 4835 women died, and in 1993 5377 women died because of the because of this issue, dowry. So we can understand the seriousness of this dowry. Okay, and then next topic is family courts. Family courts were established to resolve conflict rising out of differences within marriage and domestic problem, as well as the issues such as alimony, single parenthood, separation, care of children, and ownership, which are all related to the family situation. Okay, family courts means family courts established to solve the conflict in families, problem related to marriage, as well as alimony. Alimony means, already I told you yesterday, alimony means a fixed amount given to the divorced woman by the husband. The next topic it is written about the alimony. So, and single parenthood problem, separation of the husband wife, and ownership of children, care of children, who will take the care of the children, like that family solve this kind of family problem this family court established. These family courts give priority to mutual understanding over witnesses and evidences, and to counselors over lawyers. Emphasize is resolving issues quickly but justly. So problem they try to solve the problems in somehow they try to solve the problem. So therefore they do not give importance to witnesses and evidences. We know that in other cases witnesses and evidence, that is very important, but in family court they do not give importance to a priority to the witnesses and evidences, and they give priority to mutual understanding, and for that they are giving priority to counselors than lawyers. Okay, काउंसलर्स को इम्पोर्टेंस है लॉयर्स से भी ज़्यादा ये फैमिली कोर्ट में, एंड दिस देयर एम टू सोल्व द प्रॉब्लम. सो दिस आर ऑल अबाउट द फैमिली कोर्ट. Then next topic is trial involving alimony. A fixed amount paid to the married woman for her upkeep by the husband who has divorced her is called alimony. Alimony means, already I explained, ये फिक्स अमाउंट जब डाइवोर्सी जो वाइफ है डाइवोर्सी वुमन को हस्बैंड देते हैं एवरी मंथ में, उसको बोलते हैं alimony. In the case of one incident happened in the case of Muhammad Ahmad Khan versus Shahbano Begum. The Supreme Court gave the verdict that Shahbano Begum had the right to alimony. However, religious organization protested vociferously against the verdict. As a result, the Muslim Women's Act, Protection of Right on Divorce, was passed by Parliament. So, in the case of Muhammad Ahmad Khan versus Shabina Waham, so the Supreme Court gave the verdict that she had the right to alimony, but the religious organization, the religious people, they protest against this verdict. They made voice against this verdict. Anyway, the Muslim Women Act means the protection of right on divorce was passed by the Parliament because of this incident. Children, today we learn about the laws for women. In 1961, the Dowry Prohibition Act enacted, and in 1984, Dowry Prohibition Amendment Act came into force. In 1984, family courts established, and in 1985, the protection of right on divorce was passed by the parliament. And one more law for women is remaining, that is Sati Prevention Act. So tomorrow we will be going to learn about this Sati Prevention Act and protection of human rights and reservation for women. Okay, thank you.